Hi guys, Nisi here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate mug cake in 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. And guys, is everything I'll be using. I have a fork, I have small measuring spoons, and my mug or my cup. First thing I need is my cup, and then the first thing I'm going to measure is 4 tablespoons of all-purpose wheat flour. 4 tablespoons. Measure them correctly. Try to be precise. Guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that first notification for future notifications. And if you're already, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. There we go, guys. The next thing we're going to add is cocoa. You can use cocoa or chocolate powder, whatever you want to use, but I use cocoa. So just added 2 teaspoons of cocoa. Okay, this is because we are making a chocolate mug cake. That is why we added cocoa. Make sure you mix them properly before you add your next ingredient. Okay guys, this is the quickest sweet snack to cure your cravings. Next thing I'm adding, that is a 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, and then a pinch of baking soda, or I can simply say just add 2 pinches of baking powder and 1 pinch of baking soda. Mix everything correctly and uniformly before you add your next ingredient. Guys, this thing is delicious. Just try it. It's a challenge. Next thing I'm going to add is sugar. I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you have powdered sugar, the better, but I just used the normal sugar, normal brown sugar. That's what I used, and it's amazing and it's cool. Okay, there, which is, you can use melted butter or cooking oil, just normal cooking oil, whatever you prefer. So I just added 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I don't like butter, that is why I used cooking oil. And the next thing I added is caramel essence. It's optional. You can use whatever essence you want, or just add a little bit of coffee powder. If you love coffee, it brings a very nice blended taste. So I just added caramel essence, a 1/4 tablespoons, or just add few drops of the essence. Then mix everything thoroughly or uniformly. Guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you missed me so much, give this video big thumbs up. Yes, mix everything together. Mix thoroughly. And then the next ingredient is milk. Yep, if you have condensed milk, the better, but I'm using just normal warm milk. So I will be needing 3 tablespoons of milk. Tablespoon, the big one. 3 tablespoons of milk. Just add little by little as you mix your butter, so that it blends or just mixes nicely. Okay, just mix nicely. I just added my first tablespoon of milk, and then I'll add my next and my next. Okay, so guys, in total I use 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 full tablespoons of milk. Just add bit by bit so that you don't mess up with the consistency, and mix nicely. Okay, until you have this nice, beautiful, consistent batter. You know, like how you just bake your normal cake. Okay guys, if you love this video so far, give a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. As you can see, our batter is ready. There we go. Yeah, it looks very tiny, but we will just have a full mug cake right now. Anyway, next thing, we're going to put our butter or the butter in the mug in a microwave and then set to bake for 1 minute. You can use 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, let's wait and see. Exactly 1 minute later, let's see what we have here. Wow, our chocolate mug cake is ready. It looks amazing, looks spongy. Let's check if it's well cooked, well baked, I mean. And yep, it's not sticking, so it's okay. It's nice, it's spongy, it's well baked, and it's also very delicious, guys. Very, very delicious. The easiest way to cure your cravings: chocolate mug cake all the way. Just 1 minute and you're good to go. Just look at it, guys. If you love this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Mwah.